Whoa, I'm going to interrupt again, live Mr. Neiweem, for another NeiweemTube crash course. Oh no! Remember, George Washington reminded us, beware of political parties. Second President John Adams comes in. He is no longer going to be the president. He's lost the election to Thomas Jefferson, and he's like, I decree all judges are Federalist, like me, in his final days in office. Let's see what happens with this. Okay, so, I decree all Federalist. So this part, Thomas Jefferson comes in. Hey, stupid, looks like you forgot to get your notices out and get them delivered. You only had 2 more days in office. James Madison comes in, Secretary of State to new President Thomas Jefferson. What should I do, boss? Jefferson says, throw him in the garbage. Circular bin. We're going to see what happens. Madison is going to get sued by Marbury, who didn't get his notice. We're going to see how the Supreme Court decides to deal with this one. That's this crash course. Back to you, live Neiweem.